Hi guys, today I'm going to be making some more slime. It's going to be a very stretchy slime, and I've actually never seen anybody doing the slime, so I'm just going to call it my own slime. It's really fun to make, and it's super easy, so I hope you guys like it. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and subscribe and a comment below. And if you really like this video, then go to the notification bell, press it, and I will yell out your name at our next video. Thank you.
Add the contact solution, or
So now you're going to want to add the contact solution, which gives it like a slimy thing, like this, see? So then what you're going to want to do, if you don't actually like to get your hands all messy, then I suggest you put on gloves, or I don't know.
use a spoon.
You're going to have to touch the slime to make it into slime. So somehow you guys have to do this.
Or you could use gloves.
Something like that. Just you have to do this part. This is like important.
Yeah, but you
Because
can.
it makes it into this. Look.
But you can do it with gloves, guys. But it might get it dirty. So
Yeah, it might get your gloves dirty. I mean, look, it's not even that bad. Look at this.
You can wash your hands after. You can wash your hands after.
Yeah,
too.
you guys, don't be scared to wash your hands.
Yeah.
It's just a little bit of slimy stuff that you can always just wash off.
Yeah.
And you could also just dab it off your hands.
Dab it.
Or you could actually even dab it.
That was funny.
And next, you actually don't have to do this step, but I'm going to add glitter. I'm a glitter fan.
You're going to want to turn it around for it goes everywhere. That worked better than last time. Okay, now flip it around.
Glitter.
Flip it around.
Now we're going to do the back side with glitter. Glitter, glitter, glitter. Everybody likes glitter, 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 glitter. I'm not going to add too much because last time I added the whole container and it turned into a disaster. Trust me, it was not pretty.
Not like glitter.
Okay, that should be good. Now we're going to play with it. I'm going to make a little swirl. I like to call it a poop emoji, but you guys like to call it swirl, so that's what I'm going to do.
And call it.
Ooh, this is the best I could do. It's a little sticky right now.
Yeah, it is like a poop emoji.
So, this is it.
Yeah.
This is Jordy. I'm his special guest today.
Yeah, and this is like a changing host. Sometimes it's my cousin. Sometimes it's my cousin. Sometimes it's my friends. And sometimes it's me.
Usually him.
Yeah.
But sometimes, every once in a while, I'll be making some videos.
Yeah. And guys, this is her first video, so really give this a thumbs up and subscribe down below.
Thank you.
You guys just have to do it. If you guys don't, you guys will be notified by me and say bad stuff will happen.